Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn top 50 most polite, essential, and common English conversations about breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and knowing these useful English expressions will help you communicate naturally at home, while traveling, at restaurants, or with friends and family. Let's get started. 1. Good morning. 2. What would you like for breakfast? 3. I'd like some toast and eggs. 4. Would you like some coffee? 5. Yes, please. 6. No, thank you. 7. Do you want tea or coffee? 8. I'll have a cup of tea. 9. Can I have a glass of milk? 10. Would you like some orange juice? 11. Breakfast is ready. 12. Please have a seat. 13. Help yourself. 14. This looks delicious. 15. It smells wonderful. 16. Thank you for the breakfast. 17. You're welcome. 18. Would you like more bread? 19. Yes, I'd love some more. 20. I'm full, thank you. 21. Could you pass the butter, please? 22. Here you are. 23. Could I have some jam? 24. Sure, here you go. 25. Do you like cereal? 26. I usually eat cereal for breakfast. 27. I prefer eggs and bacon. 28. Would you like some fruit? 29. An apple would be great. 30. I don't usually eat breakfast. 31. You should eat something. 32. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. 33. I'm in a hurry. 34. I'll grab something on the way. 35. What time do you usually have breakfast? 36. I usually have breakfast at 7. 37. Do you cook breakfast every day? 38. Sometimes I do. 39. This coffee is excellent. 40. The eggs are perfectly cooked. 41. Would you like another cup of coffee? 42. Yes, please. That would be nice. 43. I'm ready to start the day. 44. Have a wonderful day. 45. You too. 46. Enjoy your breakfast. 47. Don't forget to eat breakfast. 48. Have you finished your breakfast? 49. Yes, I'm finished. 50. Let's clean up the table. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope these 50 useful breakfast expressions help you improve your English vocabulary, build confidence in daily conversations, develop better listening and speaking skills, and communicate more naturally in real-life situations. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends so more people can learn English together. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.